Introducing the 5-page draft. This video has several parts: what happened, now what, quick start, criteria, possible solutions, and references. Part 1. What happened? You have already accomplished several tasks related to your recommendation report. The first was to find a topic. You also wrote your proposal, in which you proposed to write a recommendation report about your topic. Part 2. Now what? Now it's time to write a 5-page draft of your recommendation report. Part 3. Quick start. To get started quickly, copy the text of the introduction and background sections of your proposal into the same sections of your draft. That's a good way to start quickly, but those sections will need more work later. Part 4. Criteria. The criteria section is very important to the effectiveness of your recommendation report. People do what they can to get what they need and want. People repeatedly prioritize and make decisions about what is best for them. Knowingly or unknowingly, they use criteria to do so. The criteria section of the report is about identifying and briefly describing the criteria your audience will use to evaluate the possible solutions. Before writing about the criteria, study the document named The Role and Importance of Criteria in the Evaluation of Possible Solutions, .docx, which is attached to the assignment. Identify and describe the significance of each criterion. Part 5. Possible solutions. In the Possible Solutions section, identify your possible solutions. Explain each one and how well each possible solution satisfies each criterion. The Conclusions and Recommendations section must include a graphic that summarizes your analysis of how well each possible solution satisfies each criterion. If you need help with the graph, search the help file of your word processor or charting software for key phrases such as add chart or edit chart. The charts.doc file, which is attached to the assignment, may also be helpful. To edit the example chart in MS Word, double-click the chart to open the data table, edit the data and labels. Part 6. References. Include at least 5 credible references with at least one in-text citation for each reference. My opinion may be important to me, just as yours may be important to you, but what will have more influence on your audience, your opinion or credible data? Your report should rely heavily on its logical development and references for its credibility, not your unsupported opinion.